And this is the best one I like. Also, it has SPF. It's 3-in-1 they call it because it has the
Tapos lalagyan natin ng... Gumagamit ka na ba nito? Foam cleanser?
No.
Sabon. Parang sabon siya. Ito yung isang set.
And it has this eyeliner, you know, already creaming but not on a
Ang daming bumibili nun yung sunscreen.
Oo, kasi hiyang ako.
Kasi yung product eh, pang suitable sa skin talaga natin.
Yes, this is just only but the beginning, right? But it looks like exciting, but still have more.
Our makeup launch already.
Yung unang nabili ko sa'yo, ano yun? Small.
Ah,
Yung binigay ni Glyce ngayon yung
yun yung bago sa'yo.